Put us another door in.
Easy does it.
I'll send you this video, right?
Oh yeah. This is like driving a real piece of machinery here.
Yep. Oh, slow down, Rhett. You're doing good, Rhett.
All right.
Proud of yourself, Rhett?
Huh?
Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Good.
Train moment over out.
What are you doing, Red?
Videoing.
Video who? It's probably on your YouTube channel. I can't wait to see that.
All right, hey guys. guys, this is Red, and I'm here with Spencer Walker. Right here.
Angel Fan of the Year.
Yep, and we're both Ralph Fan of the Year, and today we're here at the Heart of Dixie Museum in Calera, Alabama, and we're here with the one and only Shelby. Whoa, 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 whoa! That was a mud number wasp. Sorry about that. Whew.
Interview me, Red.
Huh?
And put it on your YouTube channel.
Okay.
Oh, I can't wait to see that.
Oh, me too. So,
I thought he would interview me.
I'm just going to, there's Shelby. I actually named her. And there's McMonty over there. So, come and ride with us at the Heart of Dixie Museum.
Maybe you interview me right now.
This is a YouTube video. Spencer and I love to have fun, don't we?
Yep. I'm your Fan of the Year because I'm gonna let Wet post this on his YouTube channel so I can see it.
All right.
And don't forget to post it so I like it.
And also subscribe to Spencer's YouTube channel.
I don't have a YouTube channel.
Or something like that.
That's a you.
Alright.
YouTube channel.
So subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Maybe I'll see it on there.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll see me on there like this. And I see you got one with me now.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo.
Don't cry, it's only a joke. Sorry, I had to do it. So, reporting live from the Shelby and Southern Shop Building, this is Rhett Robinson, Spencer
Angel Fan of the Year.
Spencer Walker, and Shelby signing off. Peace out, man.
And post it on your YouTube channel so I can see it. Thanks. Bye-bye.